Hayi ma, lokho ngithi phela ngizosenza story time ngizosenza but bengatholi like isikhathi and bethi ukwenza kahle sengenze nekhanda. Yeah, ngithi kancane cause of yeah. Ngiyadlala. Yo guys mina angazi shame, angazi futhi awukho umuntu angazi. Yabo lo nyaka mangayena umngani ozongidakelwa, umngani ozongisanganela, umngani ozongenza inja, mangayena ozontshontshelwa abafana bami amakhadi, omunye ozodelela ikhampani yami, omunye ozongenza ngifile as a second option empilweni yakhe, omunye ke oshaya ibhomu ke njengamanje ke ofuna ukungibophela i-theft. Yini i-theft? Siqale lapho ke. Mina as a qualified teacher ngazi ukuthi i-theft ukuntshontsha. Angani theft usuke untshontsile. Yabo? And then kunomehluko phakathi kwe-theft angazi ke sikuthiwa yini. But awukwazi ukuthi ulethe izinto zakho in my space and then bese wena uthi i-theft leyo. Make it make sense. Isikole mantombazane kakhulu sibalekile. Because yabo noma ungafundanga, okay sharp, khona bangafundanga, mhlambe umuntu angafikanga ngisho grade 12 but ingqondo yakhe nje iyasebenza. Bese kuba khona laba uNkulunkulu ayibalethe emhlabeni ethi wena ukuze ingqondo yakho vele ngikuphi ingqondo encane. So ukuze ube right, kumele uye esikoleni khona ingqondo yakho izoba ngcono. Manje ujika uhlulwe na isikole emva lokho wawuphiwa ingqondo encane vele kwase esibelethweni sama wakho. Uyabona leyo nto le? So ayikhandi sense. So into ithi ke I think ke bengithi angifuni ukuyixoxa lento la ku TikTok yabo, because guys senzoze nisho nani ukuthi hayi shothi uwena smile or wrong. Awukwazi phela ukuthi after 2 months after 3 months ugilwa amantombazane yabo. Bengithi nje ngifuna ukuyithulela ngingaposti lutho ngasho lutho, but ke I have nothing to lose, I don't care. And ngiyazazi mina ukuthi I'm such a nice person. Ekubeni nice kwami abantu they take advantage of that yabo. And I'm always friends with people who are my silent hater. Angazi kusho kanjalo, but makuthi akukho njalo, but sengisho ukuthi abantu abangizonda ngingaboni ukuthi bangizonda like bahleka, but mangekho emehlweni wabo bangizonda nje abangifiseli lutho enhle. You understand? So into ikanje ilisi yamani ngiyakhumbula ukuthi iphelile la ngihlala khona eGoli. So uGeli angicele athi smam ngoba uyaphuma lapho ngiyacela if it's possible cela ungi-extendela ilisi yabo. uGeli yena akaqualify, angani she's not working, meaning akanawo ama pay slip and everything, and also akana business, akanawo ama phephe business yabo. Akafani nami, mina nga-apply mangifuna apartment nga-apply ngama document we business lami. Yena she has no papers engamenza ukuthi apply for anything qualify. She's just nje monitoring spirit nje emhlabeni. uGeli ke angicele yabo, and as someone I know back at Durban, and as someone nje ngimbiza ngomngani, like angazi ngachaza ngithini, but indlela bezizwana ngayo engenza ukuthi no ngivume nanothi bengazi ukuthi vele uzo afford irent nani yonke leyo nto. I like no sharp ayikho inkinga and ngangiphuma mina washo namhlanje kuzomela ngimuve out ngakusasa. And vele finish yami sengidayisile ayidayisa yabo. And ngamtshela kudala ngathi ngizomdayisela uyawufuna yini umbhede. Angimtshelanga, wabona ivideo la TikTok ngipostile ukuthi ngidayisa ifurniture nani. Wangifonela wathi hayibo ungadayisa umbhede kodwa wazi ukuthi anginawo umbhede yabo. Ngayi mina hayibo phela bengazi mina ukuthi girl awunawo umbhede kanjani manje, hawu i-lifestyle yakho kanti kanjani, like uba muhle wena outside phambi kwabantu endlini yakho ungahliphi la umbhede ukhala amatseke. Oh my god. But ke okay sharp asikho lapho. Ngithi mina okay yabo. And then uGeli lokho back and forth indaba yombhede nathi mina ngidayisela inkani nje manje lo mbhede yabo, because angisazi ukuthi ngoba ngiyaphuma kusasa angazi ngizoyisaphi yabo. Ngihambe ngiyom-extendela ilisi, bathi lapha yana mang extend ilisi kuzoba bathi bazongi-extendela 6 months ngoba ngisho ngo last minute, and then after 6 months if ngifuna ukuyi-renewa bawuphinde bengi-renewele. Okay, sharp ugela lethi furniture yakhe mina yami siphumile angani alethi furniture yakhe yonke into nje kuhlale nje yabo. And then okay kuze athi nje ngizama ukuyisheshisa le ndaba khona ngizoyiqeda. Ugeli ke selethile into zakhe ngimfaka ama fingerprint yabo, and then mina ngahamba ke I went back home yabo. Angisena ndawo phela mina ngani uyena manje usewumnikazi wendlu. Asendeke ngimsendela istatement sa November, asendeke irent. Mesenda irent ngimtshela ukuthi since mina bengizomove out bese la beshila ukuthi bazongibuyisela i-deposit yami ngo mid November or khona lapho nje November kodwa athi okay meaning I have to pay you back leyo deposit since wena usuyaphuma yabo, since wena sekuzongena wena mina ngiyaphuma. Ayizivumela nalokho, so kube imali eyombhede kube imali ye deposit. Ngala okay sharp ayike ukinkinga lokho ngikhokhela kancane because like bese kuzoba yabo umthwalo yabo. Ugeli last week angifonele ugulelo angitext ugulelo ma wakhe useThekwini and icela ngimbekezelele kancane uzoyikhokha imali yami nani. I even have conversations and everything. Uzoyikhokha back imali yami bla 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 kwasho wacima ngithi mina no ugula komzali into eserious, thatha le mali onayo and ukhokhele izinto lezi okumele uyikhokhele. Emva lokho ke sharp sizobona ukuthi ungikhokhela kanjani. And nakhona I'm trying to be nice to her, ngimtshengisa ukuthi okay I'm just helping you out here, you understand. Sharp ke ugela okay sivumela nalokho. Ngibuzeni ukuthi ugeli 2 days after esho leyo nto akahambanga yena wathenga i-iPhone 17 Pro Max cash. Okay ke my other friend abone poste ugeli exclude mina kwi status. Uma ngi-exclude kwi-status zakhe kanti umngani wami uzobona, and she screenshotted for me ase angitshengisa ukuthi hayibo ugeli sekhokhile imali yakho bese ethenga iphone. Ngani mina hayibo manje ngiyangena kwi-status ngabuka nga-check-a mhlambe kaningi kwi-status angiziboni lapha yana angiboni lutho kwi-status, meaning ugeli uyazi ukuthi wrong lento ayenzayo. Because why would you buy iphone ka 30,000 or noma kuthi uya trader in or what? Because yena uthi ube trader in, ngithi mina still if you trader in uzokhokha i-difference and ubesebenzisa i-16 plus. So i-16 plus mhlambe manje value yakhona u15k or 14k ka iStore, and then uzo-add the remaining k i-difference le. Ayike sharp ngimbuze kugela ukuthi kanjani asho leyo nto ke. Ngasethi mina okay angisena ndaba nalokho ngichaza khona, can you please just send my money yabo. Athi yena phela yena phela ngingamdemand kanjalo okokuqala wangitshela ukuthi umbhede yena akawufuna ukuthi athe ngakawukhokheli bla 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 kwasho wacima, and emva lokho ifuke ngufuna lo mbhede ngiyayazi indlu yami ukuthi ikuphi, ngahamba uyolanda lo mbhede wakho ngeke phela ngizwe ngawo. Says someone obengincenga day in day out, engifonela day in day out, sending me voice messages day in day out, efuna indawo yokuhlala proper because ubehlala eJozi CBD. Like kanjani iyayikhanda isense. Ngithi mina hayibo ngivele ngiphelelwa amandla ngithi mina okay sure yabo, ngithi mina okay sure ngicabange u1 no2 no3 ngithi lo ngizomqaqa because uyitshela ukuthi shoot wasuka yena eNanda wezeGoli uzoba uclever, not yena ubona ukuthi nje with the few designers she has ubone ngathi mhlambe ke ungcono ke kunami mina. Guys, you can't tell me ukuthi ungcono kunami ngalezi zinto lezi zalana nani. Show me your degrees, show me mhlambe ke your bank balance, show me anything onaye egameni lakho, i-title deed, show me into kanjalo so that sizo fight ngento engcono ukhombisa ukuthi no impi yabantu abadala ke le impi eyingqothofu. But you can't come to me and brag to me ngama designer abese ubone ngathi wena ungcono kunami. You can't come to me and brag to me ukuthi wena ujola nabafana abangcono kunabajola nami. Ezakho yini izinto zalabo bafana? Stay tuned for part 2 because what the hell is wrong with amantombazane? Okay-ke uGeli bamvaleleke laphayana yabo on Monday yanganizamile ungifonela and then ngangawabamba ama-calls akhe. Angifonele nje kawuthiwa ngangawabamba ama-calls akhe. And then this other friend of mine ohlala khona laphayana ubekade buye emsebenzini angifonela athi hayibo mngani nangu sibanibani lana naye niphelele phi indaba yenu ngimtshela ukuthi hayi akagqoze loyo lapha akahlali nje akahlala abritish ahlali lapha. Okay sharp ahambe e-police station. Police station I don't know ukuthi ufike wabachazela ukuthini bangifone e-police station ngabatshela ukuthi no if efuna ukuvula i-case or whatsoever she can go ahead because mina angeke ngimvulele lapha endlini engakayikhokhi imali yami yombhede nemali yami ye-deposit yabo. Sharp ke and guys yabo angifuna ukudlala ngani kubalekile ukuhlala angazi noma endlini lapha engihlala khona angazi noma i-complex noma kodwa kuyona i-estate kodwa nje kubalekile ukuhlala endaweni guys ukuthi awuvele nje umuntu aphoseke nje yabo leyo nto leyo endaweni waziyo ukuthi mawukhona mawungekho makufika umuntu ethi ufuna ukungena endlini yakho kumele kufonelwe wena kuqala because kule situation yonke ngisizwe lokho. Other than that nje uGeli bezongena ethathe impahla zakhe ngithi ngiyafika uGeli akasekho sengisele nelist mina kumele ngiyikhokhele. Okay ke sharp uGeli ahluleke ke emaphoyiseni bese kuthi ngakusasa ngifonela uma wakhe fonela uma wakhe waya fonela uma wakhe ke uma wakhe ke shemkhulume kahle yena at first ngathi ngamthatha nami njengomzali ungathi unengqondo not knowing hayi akukhulume kahle kuma wakhe yabo ambone futhi nomntwana wakhe uthi wrong azabuza ukuthi how usibanibani uthenga kanjani ifone ebiza kangaka kanti umbheda kanawo uthenga kanjani indlo uma wakhe avumelana nami yonke into yabo. Okay sharp I don't know ukuthi who was advising her or kanjani yabo uGeli because kugcine sekuhamba wahamba namaphoyisa wayendlini yami yabo wangisendela i-message into eyangicika wangisendela i-message ngalo lolo suku kade ngikhuluma noma wakhe uma wakhe sengincenge ngaze ngehlisa inhliziyo ngathi mina okay if engafana noma imali ke ye-deposit umbhede yobuya ukhokhele ngizomvulela ngakusasa hayi uGeli wangisho ebusuku wangi-unblocka wangisho ngamanje ngokuthi ngizothi show my girl okusalayo ayikho into ozoyithola elapha endlini yami wama nje ngokuthi nje uzongithuka kakhuluma ukuthanda kwakhe ngathi mina okay show. Emva lokho wathini ufuna impahla zakhe akasafuna ukuhlala laphayana ngathi sis you don't just move out laphayana awuhlali e-back room awuhlali kamabura laphayana ovela uvuka ekuseni udecide ukuthi uyahamba kusayinwe i-list laphayana kune-lease agreement laphayana mawufuna ukukhansela i-list there's a certain amount that you need to pay before you even move out ifurniture yakho ngeke uvele uyikhiphe nje kanjalo akukhona kamayithanqaze laphayana nkosi yami akukhona. Ngamtshela kanjalo wathi akazi-ke yena akanandaba nalokho but ufuna into zakhe and into ezokwenzeka uzongivulela i-case or something yini ngamina go ahead baby girl yabo ngathi nje go ahead and then uGeli I think ufike wenza ama-connections lapha e-police station because ngokubuka kwami lamaphoyisa ade msiza wonke indlela engifonela ngabe zama ukungithusa guys you can't just call me uthi kunomuntu la une-complaint kanje and if awuyikhiphi into zakhe siza sokubopha ngivele ngangalisaba nhlobo ijele ngathi mina enzani nifuna ukwenza but noma ngingaboshwa ukusalayo into zakhe ngekayitholi into ezokwenzeka igcine usuku bazoyithatha leza impahla laphayana bese bayayifaka kuma-auctions zithengwe bese kuseklishwa le mali lelisi ngasho kanjalo angazi nami isibindi sathephi yo guys this other friend of mine ebenginaye during yonke lento le engifikele kuyena ngoba ngila eGoli i-support ebenginayo uyena umuntu obengiqinisa ukhakhayi because mina kokunye kube ngathi ngithi no yazini ngiyagive up njengamanje akahamba uGeli alanda into zakhe wathi nje uGeli never ungadlala amantombazana aseThekwini eGoli angeke uyenze leyo nto lo kumele akhokhe imali yakho before athole into zakhe 50-50 and then uGeli she went to renting housing tribunal lapho something like that wawuthola incwadi angazi ebhaliwe mina sengiyilandlord yakhe kuleya ncwadi angazi kumele athole access to indle yakhe blah blah blah. I was like anginandaba amaphoyisa mengifonela khona la ngifonele khona amaphoyisa. Guys, I think le nto manje bisihlala epolice station because and futhi nami bengenza sure bengivele ngifike lapha khona kwi-apartment lapha kwi-building ngiye kumngani wami lapha uSibhemi ngingayi khona endlini yami ngifike ngishuthe kwi-lift bese ngiyapost. I think enye into ebivele imvusile ukuluku ukuthi nje shuthi ngilapha endlini because even imessage yakhe benoma wakhe bengithuka bathi nje wena udlala umona kusho uma wakhe. Guys, anithandazele ngisho abazali ukuthi uma unomzali ube nomzali onengqondo and ube nomzali oyihloniphayo, ube nomzali okufisela into ezinhle. Ukuthi I can't say much la, but le ngane ayinamzali ihlalele. That's all I can say. Ayinamzali nje ihlalele. Ingakho nayi nje because what the hell? Okay ke shapu bese kwenzakaleni bangifonela khona nje nini ngifike nini mina la eGoli ngoswe ngafika ngalo amaphoyisa afike kawu3 lapha endlini ama-security lokho engifonela ngithi mina ningabangenisi abalinde ngize ngibe khona ningabangenisi because why befuna ukungena bathatha izinto ngingavumanga mina angani i-apartment yami pho why befuna ukuyingenela mina ngingekho. Hayi amaphoyisa lokho engisabisa la amaphoyisa lokho engisabisa ngakusasa angiphelezela umngani wami asiye khona lapha epolice station sifike sisho ukuthi kanje he lithi nje lapho isasisi wena uyi-wanted uvulelwe i-case ye-theft. Ngithi mina congichazela yini i-theft mhlawumbe I'm losing my mind njengamanje and I'm losing i-English yabo angi-understand mhlawumbe ukuthi yini le ukhuluma ngayo. Asho ukuthi kunogeli kanje and uyasho ukuthi ubhuti uyena ade ngifonela izolo ukuthi angizovulela omunye athathe impahla zakhe nani bla bla bla. Ngathi yazini bhuti angikushiye ngihambe mina ngiqhubeke nempilo yami because bengimbona naye lapho phoyisa ukuthi selifunziwe vele indaba selitsheliwe lokho elitshelwe khona nani sihambe nogeli. And then izolo ngifonela umseshi athi umseshi wecala elivula obani wayingamnikeza omunye impahla because if angimnikeza impahla ugeli yena uzoqhubeka enze ini angazi akhiphe warrant of arrest or something ngiboshwe because lento engenzayo it's illegal. Ngithi mina but it's fine sengiyazi bese ngihlele emqondweni yabo ngithi mina okay it's fine yazini ugela ahambe yolanda impahla zakhe yabo. Ngithi ngisho kanjalo ugeli agijima ahambe endlini mefika lapha ama-security angifonela athi nangu sibani bani uthi uzolanda impahla zakhe. Ngithi mina mtsheleni ukuthi akangilinde I'll be there in the next hour. Ngihambe ngecourt ngenza i-letter of demand emva lokho ngiye police station ngibachazele ngibatshengisa ama-conversation ama-screenshots yonke into ngiprintile i-lease agreement ukuthi ithini yonke into. Maphoyisa angithathe angise khona laphayana masifika laphayana ugela uhambile wathi uyabuya mase sifika kuthiwa ugela usehambini simfonele athi usendleleni agcine efikile amaphoyisa sehambile siwafonela amaphoyisa abuye amaphoyisa yabo because vele ise-Randburg yabo aseduzane abuye amaphoyisa. Okay, before that vele sesithukene nogeli like sesithukene and into ayisilima ngayo ungithuka ngokuthi mina ngithola umsebenzi phesheya ngiyashuthi ngiyahlupheka vele yabo. Guys, intombazane ya for the streets ingqondo yakhe yohlezi ingarizini angiphiki angisho ukuthi mina I'm not for the streets but I'm for the streets kodwa ingqondo yami iyasebenza ngoba ngiyaziphantela. You understand? Ngiyazi ukuthi mina into kumele usebenze ungayithola imali ngendlela kubafana nani but leyo nto ngeke ihlezi kukanjalo. Okay, ngifuna kube video yokugcina le nkosi yami emakusela last minute. So emva lokho ke ugeli okay sesithukanile ke vele yabo. And then kufika amaphoyisa athi angiveza wami amaphepha ngiwaveze ngichaze istory sami. Ugela veze lencwadi le kuthiwa sisi nje lencwadi uyithathe le ncwadi ngoba le yaka tribunal because I now ngisho istamp sase court and bengimele ka tribunal bangifonele mina bafonela uSimangele bambuza ukuthi what happening achaze iside lakhe le story before uzulethe lencwadi. Bambuza ukuthi ntombazana ubachazelile yini lapho ka tribunal ukuthi wena uyamkweleta ingakho evalela into zakho. Hayi uyankwankwaza athi amaphoyisa sisi sizokubona after 14 days ukuthi uyayikhokha le mali if ungayikhokhi niqhubeka ne-court. Ngathi nje musuni wakhe 20-year-old egqoka size 10 yaze yanginyanyisa le ntombazane. Hawe ma, yaze yanginyanyisa. Yaze yanginyanyisa. Hawu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisi expose umngani wakhe or rather umuntu lebika qabanga ukuthi umngani wakhe. So yabona kuyakhombisa la emhlabeni ukuthi hey inkosi yami baningi bani lesibona ngathi bangani bethu but kahle kahle badinyoka labantu nje. Mundo nawe secretly hating you, secretly in a competition with you. So uyabona nje ukuthi kuphila kodwa sometimes it's better. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.